This is Team Databots. Today I will be demonstrating a predictive maintenance platform which reduces downtime and maintenance cost. We know that IoT systems collect data and most of them don't want to share them up. So we have designed a platform we can have authority on our data and predict the results. Please meet Pyro, a predictive maintenance and optimizing platform. The features of this platform include real-time monitoring, regulatory analytics, visualization of products. Now, let us consider this data where we have different products and their attributes. To predict them, let's upload them in our website. And now let's click create. Now the product is created and the result is no maintenance needed. So let us generate a detailed report on that product. The report is generated through a ML pipeline which is made in Machine Learning Studio of Azure. And these are the output metrics of the ML model. And here is the detailed report of our product, which is hydraulic side generated by the Gemini model. And if you want to get an interactive analysis on our product, let us get to the dashboard. Here we can select our product, which is hydraulic scythe, and we can get the details by clicking submit. Here we have generated a chart which contains all our data with a detailed report, and let's select another attribute, process temperature, and click submit again. Here we have another set of data. This is how we get a interactive future analysis. Now let us get to the data section where we can view our all uploaded data and can sort them and view them in any manner. And we can also download this data. And if you want to view this data in a ranking order, let us get to the leaderboard. Here we can see the data is ordered in a rank-wise manner such that which product have more durability score and which product have less durability score. See, this is the last product which have most worst durability score. And we can also add them to the favorites based on the product, and we can also remove them. And the alerts are generated to the leaderboard and they are directly forward to our mail. Here you can see the alert is generated and these are the products which are less score and which are closest to exist. And we can also view our preferences in the preferences section such that the liked products will be appearing here, and we can also reload them, and we can also download them using this button. So what we are trying to do is using Pyro, we have to reduce risk and improve maintaining the data for the products and making the world a better place. Thank you.